Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Common pedigree exotic shorthair from lesser-known breeding farms cost from $1,200 to $2,200, which is a reasonable price range for a lovely and docile kitten. Excellent pedigree exotic shorthair from well-known breeding farms, with nice coat and appearance, is much more expensive.
Take our lead.
The exotic shorthair is very friendly and laid back, which makes them very easy to get along with. They are also pretty loyal and affectionate, which means that they are likely to want to spend time with you.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The exotic shorthair is relatively low maintenance. The exotic's low maintenance coat doesn't shed much, so owners only have to give it a weekly comb. However, owners do have to wipe and clean the cat's eyes, which, thanks to its flat, pansy-like face, are prone toward tearing up and staining its fur.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Certain breeds have less of the offending protein or less hair, which creates less dander. This makes things a little easier for allergy sufferers. Unfortunately, the exotic shorthair breed is not considered hypoallergenic. Their dense coats can create a lot of dander, making exotic shorthair allergies a possibility.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.